Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ridho Al-Farizi with NPM 22412032 from Accounting 22A. Welcome to our discussions on the nature and use of accounting. Accounting is more than just numbers. It's a system that helps organizations make informed decisions, build trust, and achieve goals. In these sessions, we'll dive into what accounting really is and explore how it's used in everyday business. So, what is accounting? Let's start with the basics. So, what is accounting? Accounting is often defined as the process of recording, classifying, summarizing, and analyzing financial transactions. But beyond this, it's the language of business. Accounting provides insight into financial performance and financial health by organizing data into meaningful information. Think of it as a report card for business, showing how well they're doing financially. The primary goal of accounting is to ensure that stakeholders, whether they're business owner, manager, investor, or government agencies, understand the organization financial position. The next is a key elements of accounting. To grasp the nature of accounting, we need to look at its main elements. The foundational aspects include assets, liabilities, and equity, which make up a company's financial position, as well as revenue, expenses, and profits, which reflect a company's performance over time. Assets are resources owned by the company like cash, property, or equipment. Liabilities, on the other hand, are obligations the company must settle, like loans or accounts payable. Equity represents the owner's stake in a company. Revenue show income from sales, while expenses cover costs of operation. The difference, profit or losses, reveals the company's success or challenges. So the next section is the rule and purpose of accounting. Why is accounting so essential? Its role and purpose are fundamental for business to function effectively and sustainably. The first one is making decision-making tools. Managers use accounting information to make strategic decisions, like expanding a product line or cutting costs. Second, legal and tax compliance. Accounting ensures business follow legal standards and accurately report taxes, which is crucial for maintaining trust with governance. Three is performance measurements. It enables companies to measure their achievement over time and compare their performance against competitors or industry benchmarks. 4. Accountability and transparency. Accounting creates transparency for investor and stakeholders, reducing risk by presenting a clear, factual financial pictures. Next section 4 is types of accounting. Accounting isn't one size fits all. There are various types of accounting, each serving unique needs and audiences. One is financial accounting. This focuses on creating financial statements for external users like investors or creditors. Its main products are the balance sheets, income statement, and cash flow statement. 2. Managerial accounting. Used internally, managerial accounting provides detailed reports for managers to aid in planning and controlling operations. 3. Tax accounting. This area handles tax filings and strategies to comply with tax law and, where possible, optimize tax outcomes. 4. Auditing. Auditors review financial statements to ensure accuracy and compliance, giving stakeholders confidence in the reports. So the next section is the uses of accounting information. Let's take a closer look to who uses accounting information and why. First one is business owners and managers. For day-to-day and long-term decision making, understanding profits, cash flow, and cost is essential. 2. Investor and creditors. They analyze financial statements to assess risk and potential return before investing or lending. 3. Government agencies. They rely on accurate reporting for tax purposes and regulatory oversight. 4. Employees. Knowing the company's financial health can affect job security, wages, and benefits. Next section is the future of accounting. Accounting is evolving, driven by technology and globalized economy. In recent years, we've seen rapid advances in digital accounting tools, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence. For example, AI can streamline repetitive tasks like data entry, allowing accountants to focus on a strategic analysis. Cloud-based accounting system over real-time financial insight, accessible from anywhere, aiding in faster decision making. With these tools, accountants are now becoming more strategic partners within organizations, helping to interpret data, forecast future trends. To sum up, accounting is essential for any business, enabling transparency, accountability, and informed decision making. It provides a structured way to understand financial data, ultimately shaping the success and sustainability of organization. Thank you for joining us for this introduction to the nature and use of accounting. If you're interested in learning more, stay tuned for further videos on financial concept and the evolving role of accounting.